For everyone who sells digital products, and for everyone who wants to make money online, everyone knows that designing digital products is easy. But today, you're going to be surprised by this video, because my friend, if you want to make more money, you have to be innovative. In this video, imagine that we designed this coloring book for kids and sold it just like all the other sellers on Amazon and Etsy. Now imagine, my friend, that you could actually design an app for your own coloring book and offer it for free or at a very small price along with your book. This will encourage moms to buy your book instead of all the other books because their child will be able to enjoy using the coloring book on their laptop or their phone. And that gives your product extra value. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump directly into the amazing website Rosebud AI. This website can make the impossible possible when it comes to designing apps. All you have to do is describe what you want, and in seconds, it creates the app for you without you writing a single line of code. And if you scroll down, you'll find many templates and ready-made apps that you can use, so you can easily design your own application. But up at the top, all I need to do now to design an app for the coloring book we saw is use the AI model that I want to create my application. I'm going to use one of the best models for designing applications, Claude Opus. Then, I'll describe the application that I want. I told it that I want it to create a coloring book app based on my book, which consists of 3 pages with dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches. I want this app to work perfectly on mobile devices as well as laptops. And on the main interface, I want kids with animals, and I want the child to be able to add more colors if they want to. I also told it that if the child makes a mistake, they should be able to go back and try again. Then, if you have an image that you want to use in the app interface, you can place it in the Upload Image section. After that, I'll click the Create button. Now, Rosebud will immediately start analyzing the message that I wrote for it. Then, it will ask me what type of images I will use in my coloring book. I'm going to choose the option that the images are PNG images, which is the second option. Then, it will ask me how I want to make the areas fill with color when the child clicks on them. I'm going to choose the first option because it's the most accurate option. After that, it will also ask me how many colors I want. I'm going to choose the last option because I want the child to be able to add as many colors as they want. I don't want them to be limited to a specific number of colors. You'll see that it has written a quick summary of the application I want, and it will ask me to review this summary. I want you to read it very carefully and add any changes you want right from the beginning. I already read it and I think everything looks perfect, so I'm going to click the Create button. Now this interface will open for you. On the left, there is a chat where you can modify anything. For example, I want to add the interior pages that the child will actually be coloring, so I'm going to stop the generation, and then I'm going to add, let's say, 3 pages to this application. I'm also going to add the message again because I forgot to include these images from the beginning. You can modify anything you want, and I intentionally did this so I could show you that you can easily change anything in your application. It will immediately start creating the application and adding the images that we uploaded. Everything it does will be explained to you in the chat on the left, and you're going to be amazed by the result. Now, after less than 2 minutes, it created this amazing application for me. And by the way, you can modify anything. So look at the main interface. It created a title and a subtitle that tells the child about this book. And then it added some images that will be consistent and suitable for the interior pages of the book and also for kids. And it added a Start Designing button. When we click on it, it will take me directly to the first page of our book. You can create the book with as many pages as you want. I only made 3 pages as an example. And down here, we have the list of colors. For example, if I choose the orange color and then click on anything, it will color that area orange. Just look at how amazing this is. And if, for example, I color something by mistake, I can simply click the Undo button and it will remove the color immediately. Look at the coloring accuracy. This is really amazing. And I'm honestly blown away by the result I got on the first try with such a short description. And I recommend that when you design your coloring book, You ask the AI model that will create the interior pages to make every individual part of the animals separate. So when you create this application, every part needs to be separated by lines so the child can color only inside that specific section. I hope you understand what I mean. You don't want the app to color huge sections all at once. Instead, it should color inside the closed lines. And after the child finishes the first page, they will immediately move to the second page this way. They can also add as many colors as they want and color with this level of accuracy. For example, I made a mistake and colored the bee orange, but I want to color it yellow, which is the correct color. All I have to do is click the undo button, and it will immediately remove the orange color. Then I can use the yellow color to color the bee again. I'm having so much fun using this application. So imagine how much fun a child would have. And this is how they move to the next page until they finish the entire coloring book. And as I told you before, you can modify anything in the application. And here in the Assets section, you'll find all the images and everything that was used. And here in the Code section, you'll find the code that Rosebud wrote for us in detail. This is really impressive. And now, my friend, in order to publish this application and share it with users, all you have to do is click the Share button, and you can publish it immediately, copy its link, and share it with the people who purchase the book. You can put the application inside, for example, the first page of your book, so whoever purchases the book can simply copy the link and open your application. This way, they get access to it, and I'm sure this will encourage customers to buy your book. And if we go back to the main interface again, it's not limited to just creating applications. If we go to the Play section, you'll find thousands of ready-made applications that have been created on Rosebud, this amazing tool. And since we're interested in teaching children, if you click on the search button and search for educational apps for kids, you'll also find several educational applications that you can use immediately. For example, let's say we click on this application to explore it. We'll find that it's a really amazing application. The application is basically a challenge between two children. You'll find that there is a voice that tells each of the two children a letter from the alphabet, and the child has to choose the letter that they heard. This way, children can easily learn the letters of the alphabet through this application. And I really liked this application. For example, I like this app and I want to create a version of it so I can sell it, for example, inside an activity book designed to teach children the letters of the alphabet. All I have to do is click the Remix button. It will take you to this page where you can modify this application and immediately make it your own application with just one click. This is really amazing. I hope you benefited from this video. You'll find the link pinned and in the description of this video. I hope you benefited from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.